Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about the operations of functions. So before we formally start, I will be discussing to you the general steps of operations of functions. So the first general step of the operation of functions is to substitute the value of the given function. Second is to combine like terms. Third is to simplify the answers if possible. And lastly is to arrange the terms from highest exponent to the least exponent. The operation of functions has 5 functions. First is the sum function. Second is the difference function. Third is the product function. Fourth is the quotient function. And lastly, the composite function. And today I will be discussing to you the sum function, or also known as addition. So the sum function is denoted by f plus g times x. So for the given, we have here fx is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. And for the gx, we have here x plus 2. So on getting the answer, we need to add the both numbers or the given numbers. So x plus 2 is equals to 8 and 5x and x. So as we all know, x is equivalent to 1 and that will lead us with 6x. And next is the x squared. Since there are no terms that are same with the x2, so we just have to copy with it. And that will lead us with a final answer, which is f plus g times x is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So as easy as that.
Now I'll be explaining on how to subtract polynomials. Now a reminder, when subtracting polynomials, we must remember that we have to change the operation of the subtrahend. The first thing we have to do is to align the polynomials vertically. The f of x will be on top and g of x would be on the bottom. Take note, we have to align the terms that are the same. Now let's proceed. We have here 3x squared minus 7x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3. But since we have to change the operations of the subtrahend, the 2x plus 3 will become negative 2x minus 3. Therefore, positive 5 minus negative 3 is equals to positive 2, and negative 7x minus negative 2x is equals to negative 9x, and 3x squared would be brought down. So the final answer would be 3x squared minus 9x. Since I'm done explaining the subtraction, let's now proceed to the next operation.
So today I'm going to discuss about the multiplication of function. We all know that the multiplication of function is denoted by the quantity of f and g times x. So first thing in doing multiplication of function is to substitute the value of the given function f of x and g of x. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 2. Multiply the terms or do the FOL method. So 3x times x is equal to 3x squared, and 3x times 2 is equal to 6x, and 1 times x is equal to x, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So after that, we're going to combine like terms. So 3x squared plus 6x plus x plus 2 is going to be 3x plus 7 plus, so this is the answer. Simplify the answer if possible, and please don't forget to arrange the terms from the highest exponent to the least. So I'm done discussing about multiplication of function. Let's move on to the next operation of functions.
Good day everyone. The next operation of function is the quotient of function. So our example first is the f of x is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and the g of x is equals to x plus 2. The first method we'll be using is the factoring method. So f over g g of x is equals to fx over g of x. Let's replace fx with x squared plus 4x plus 4 and g of x with x plus 2. So as you can see, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square trinomial, so we will factor that one. Let's copy the denominator, x plus 2. So as you can see, there is something common in the denominator and the numerator. So let's cancel that one. So we're left only with x plus 2. So the answer is f over g of x is equal to x plus 2. But before that, we need to learn that in doing division, there is a thing that you must find out. If you cannot find anything that you can cancel out, then have it as your final answer. But if you can see something common between the numerator and the denominator, and go ahead and cancel that one. So the next method we'll be using is the synthetic division. Our example is fx is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4 and g of x is equals to x plus 2. So let's replace fx with x squared plus 4x plus 4 and g of x plus x plus 2. As you can see, our divisor is a linear and also a binomial. So let's get the denominator and equate that to 0. Looking for the value of x, we will isolate x and transpose 2, so this will become negative 2. Next, we'll put negative 2 here, and let's copy the numbers in the numerator and we'll put that here. So 1, 4, and 4. The next step we'll do, we will bring down 1, and then let's multiply them with negative 2. So 1 times negative 2 is equals to negative 2. We'll put negative 2 here, and then we'll add 4 plus negative 2 is equals to 2. Then we will repeat the process. 2 times negative 2 is equals to negative 4. We will put negative 4 here, so 4 plus negative 4 is equals to 0. So we'll have the final answer. F over g of x is equals to x plus 2. So the number here is 0, so we don't have the remainder. So that is the final answer.
So, hi guys, for today's video, I will be going to discuss the composite function. So, the composite function is denoted by f circle g of x. We're going to compute the given f of x equals 4x plus 9 and g of x equals 3x plus 5. And we're going to find the f circle g of x. Then we're going to write f circle of g of x equals f g of x. Okay. The f here will become 4 plus 9. And then next is you are going to copy 4 and g is this. You're going to put here 3x plus 5. Close parentheses. And we're going to copy 9 plus 9. 4 times 3 equals 12x plus 4 times 5 equals 20. Then you're going to copy 9 then equals, you're going to copy 12x plus 20 plus 9 equals 29. So that your f circle of g of x is 12x plus 20. So you have finally understood on how to solve the composite function.